In a world where tradition meets innovation, Islam stands as a guiding light, shaping the fabric of modern society. Islamic scholars emphasize that Islam is not just a religion, but a comprehensive lifestyle offering timeless solutions to contemporary challenges. Muslims globally actively contribute to society across various sectors, embodying the values of their faith in their daily endeavors. Driven by Islamic teachings, young Muslims are at the forefront of environmental conservation efforts, implementing eco-friendly practices. Compassion, a core principle of Islam, fuels numerous humanitarian initiatives, extending support to the marginalized and vulnerable. Islam's emphasis on knowledge and critical thinking fosters innovation and progress, inspiring intellectual growth. Building bridges with diverse cultures and faiths is pivotal in fostering dialogue, understanding, and mutual respect. Interfaith dialogue initiatives promote harmony and cooperation, paving the way for peace in our interconnected world. In a world where tradition and progress converge, Islam's message of peace and unity offers a roadmap to a harmonious future.